Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make chili sauce for noodles. First, gather your ingredients. You'll need about 10-12 fresh red chilies, 4-5 cloves of garlic, and a 1-inch piece of ginger. Also, have ready 1/4 cup of neutral oil, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, and 1 tablespoon of rice vinegar. Don't forget a teaspoon of sugar and a 1/2 teaspoon of salt to perfect the taste. Now, let's prepare our ingredients. Start by roughly chopping your fresh red chilies, garlic cloves, and the piece of ginger. There's no need for fine dicing here, as they will be blended. Transfer all these chopped items into a food processor. Pulse the mixture until it forms a coarse paste. Be careful not to overblend. We want some texture, not a completely smooth puree. It's time to cook our delicious sauce. Heat 1/4 cup of neutral oil in a small saucepan over medium-low heat. Once the oil is warm, carefully add your blended chili paste to the pan. Stir the mixture frequently to prevent burning. Cook for about 8 to 10 minutes, or until the paste darkens slightly and becomes wonderfully fragrant. This slow cooking develops deep flavors. To finish, stir in 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of rice vinegar, 1 teaspoon of sugar, and a 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Simmer for 2 to 3 minutes, allowing the flavors to meld. Once cooled, transfer your chili sauce to an airtight container. It stores well in the refrigerator for up to 2 weeks. Enjoy this versatile sauce with your favorite noodles. Remember to check the description for a link to some amazing socks and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.